guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial type everyday type thing for oily skin girls, because I know the struggle. There's not very many videos out there that show proper ways to do your makeup when you have really oily skin. So if you guys want to know how I got this look and how I have my tips and tricks for my oily skin, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm here fresh faced, no foundation trick. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a trick I've been using all summer long that has helped me keep my oils away. So this is what the things that you are going to need. Okay, so I already prepped my skin with my skincare routine. So I have two primers I use at the moment. I have the NYX Pore Filler Primer, and then I also have the Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying Primer. This one is really good. It's like the Becca mattifying one. I just like this one just a bit more. So I use this one first. So I put this one mainly like where I get the most oil. So it's in my T-zone. So here, 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 here. Just in my T-zone. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna grab like a pea-size amount. I'm just gonna rub it between my fingers. And then I'm gonna start off with my nose, because that's what we need to do. And we're gonna do like a half size of the pea size on my forehead. I don't like to add a lot of products on my forehead because I feel like I have so much, I just have so much texture on my forehead that there's no need to emphasize all that. So next I'm going to grab my NYX Pore Filler, and I'm going to go ahead and mainly put that on my pores. So my pores mainly just show right here. So I'm going to grab about this much. Rub that in between my fingers. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to like dab it on, and then make my way up to my nose. Because I feel like if you add a lot of this, it's gonna make your foundation really slip and slide. But you have to add like the right amount. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my powder in light medium 20. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Go ahead and open that. So I already have some powder on my cap, so I'm just gonna be grabbing like a small brush just like this. This one is the Real Techniques contour brush. And then I'm just gonna grab whatever powder's in there and just go ahead and go over my T-zone. So like really anywhere that you think that gets super oily, try not to add too much, especially when you have like dry skin. Okay, for one, I only recommend this for dry skin because, or not dry skin, oily skin. I only recommend this for oily skin because this is like going to the next level. Okay, so next is foundation. So my holy grail drugstore foundation is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation. This stuff really does work. Yeah, it just works. My favorite combination with that is actually the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Longwear Illuminating Foundation. Who makes names like that? But also, I do love to mix it also with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless one. I'm probably going to be mixing all three of them together just because I'm extra. So I think that's what we're going to do. I'm going to add about 3 pumps of the CoverGirl one. I'm going to add about just like half of one of the LA Girl one, because the LA Girl one is just a bit too light for me. And then for the Maybelline Fit Me, you can't really like do pumps. So I'm just going to add like that much. So I mainly start on like the outer perimeters on my face. Like, I just kind of like dab it with my finger. So next I'm just gonna grab my Real Techniques beauty blender, not beauty blender, but I'm just gonna like go in like circles so that helps like it mix just a bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer. And this is in medium 25. I don't add it like right under, so I leave a gap under my eye because my eyes crease so easy. And to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using that same Maybelline Fit powder in light medium 20. And I'm going to be grabbing a brush just like this. It's the pointed foundation brush from Real Techniques. And I'm just going to dip my powder. I'm going to dip my brush in my powder. And kind of like tap it off and then like put it back in there. And I'm going to go over my under eyes just one more time. Just so that there's no creasing. And then I'm just going to pat that powder on there. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to carve out my eyebrows. I love that for me. Antonio Garza is so fucking funny, dude. I could watch her videos all the time. Okay, well, I didn't even think I needed to tap the crap. Excuse me, bitch. Okay, so next comes for baking. I would, if I was gonna go somewhere where I needed to look presentable and I needed to look flawless, I would use my Laura Mercier powder, but today I'm just going to work. So I'm going to be using my Avon Flawless Loose Powder. This one's in translucent. I recommend this. This is kind of like a dupe for the Airspun, except no flashback. I'm just going to grab like this part of the sponge because I need the top part. I need it to not be powdery. And I'm just going to go ahead and like set my T-zone. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back in, and I'm actually gonna let the powder sit on top of my skin this time. Okay, so I'm just gonna be baking. I don't bake my under eyes, girl. No, that's like a no for me. We don't do that here. I'm gonna go ahead and like finish my eyes off camera because this is more like foundation based, I guess. So I'll be right back. I just did my eyes. They're a bit dramatic, but I don't really do too much eyeshadow like this, so it's like orange, dark purple vibes, kind of more like Halloween vibes. 10 minutes into doing my eyeshadow, I wiped off my bake, so I feel like that was like the only thing different. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add more powder to my face. So I'm gonna grab a flat top brush, and I'm gonna be grabbing my LA Girl Pro Face, and this one's in medium beige. And the powder like kind of makes me look way lighter than what I need to be. And this powder just kind of helps like get myself back to life. I'm going to be grabbing my Wet n Wild contour palette in Caramel Toffee. And we're obviously going to be going with that dark color. And I'm just going to be grabbing this powder brush. Dark looks definitely like make you look so much paler than what you are. For no reason. Like, can I not be a goth bitch and tan? I use like the same thing so often. Like, I need to go out and buy new products. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I use the Contour and Blush palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to be going in with that color right here. With that same brush. I just really love a bronzed girly. Like, but I'm not going to drag it out a lot. I'm just going to keep it over here. With that yellow shade from the Wet n Wild, I'm going to go ahead and grab my beauty sponge and dip it into that powder, and then I'm just going to go ahead and carve that out. For blush, I think I needed like a more like intense blush because of this look. So I'm going to go back in with this because I don't ever use the blushes in here. And I'm going to go ahead and with this one dipped in my brush. Okay, I look like a clown. Let's restart. I'm just gonna throw my hair back because I just added heat to it, and I'm about to add water to my face-ish, kind of. And okay, yes. And I'm just gonna fan myself. I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm going to be highlighting my face with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is the gold one. This one is in molten gold. Okay. And I'm using an Morphe M510. I low-key don't really like this brush. I kind of think it makes it look streaky, in my opinion. I would rather have used the brush that I used to put on the powder before my foundation. I think that brush makes everything look so nice. So fun and fresh. Okay, for my lips, I don't really usually do lips. My friend actually pointed that out to me the other day, yesterday. I feel like a new girl. Who is that? Is she new? But this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this is really more recommended towards oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can go ahead and try this out, but I highly don't recommend it. If you guys want to see more looks and videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.